everyone. So, what did you think? What did you think? Today's slay was brought to you by the Daily Wig. This is Kyla. I had purchased her in the 613 in order to do this beautiful slay. What do you think? I used the RIT dye, the chocolate brown, for the top, the sapphire blue for the bottom part, and what I love the most, as you can see, is this little streak in between from where I divided it, to do the top and the bottom. Just came out perfect. It came out perfect. So, I'm just loving this. I am just loving this. I am loving it. Look at that. Look at that. It came out just as I wanted it to, because I know, if you've been following me, hey, blue is definitely one of my colors. This is most definitely one of my colors. I love the blues. So, with that being said, leave me any comments, a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, don't forget to press that bell so you will see what I'm doing next. Okay? Are you loving this? This is just gorgeous. I am loving it. Yes, I am loving it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.